Why didn't God restore the earth to being vegan after the flood? Simple answer is because humans were evil since their youth. And if we look in Genesis chapter 8, verse 21, you'll see that. God may have accepted Noah's repentance or whatever it was that he felt was necessary to kill some animals and sacrifice them. And God said, man is evil from his youth. Now, we have to think about that because God tried to make the world vegan. And for 300 days aboard the ark, nobody ate anybody else or killed anybody else. At least we're not told if they did. And we know that they didn't take enough food on there to do that with. Now, I don't care whether some people consider that story an allegory about something else or whatever it is, but that shows us the way that God intended us to be living. And after the flood, Noah sacrificed. He killed animals and presumably ate them. And that's why God gave the humans that were left, supposedly just the ones that were on the ark, why he gave them permission to continue to eat meat. But we have to understand that permission comes with a curse. And you cannot eat meat without the blood and without the fat, because the very structure of our flesh, and by the way, we're made out of meat too, our flesh has a cell wall that is made out of cholesterol, and it gets infused by blood vessels that are running all around it. And that's where we get the oxygen that we need to live, and where we get rid of the carbon dioxide, and the hemoglobin in the blood carries it away. It brings us the oxygen. So, and that's the same with all animals. Maybe they don't have lungs the same way we do, and like an insect breathes through its sidewalls, through little tiny holes in the sides of their exoskeleton. But we're all the same. And God tried to create us as vegans. He tried to bring us back to vegans. And then even after the flood, when people were coming out of Egypt, he gave us manna, which was vegan. And we didn't want that. So it's the evilness of human beings that has prevented God from bringing this world back to being vegan. And we're told that we should be living as vegans. Maybe not in that word, because that word wasn't coined till just recently, but we're to be vegan. Amen.